These Simplicity decks are super easy to take off. Right here, I just pulled the pin out. There's a cotter pin in there. This holds the back of the deck. You'll see there's a handle under here on the tension pulley. You pull that forward, drop the belt off. Okay, so I'm going to just grab this handle on this pulley, bring that forward, and drop the belt off the front of the motor. Maybe. There we go. Pulley's off. And now the next step is to just grab the front. I'll show you how that goes. Step number 3. There's a handle in here. I know this is a little jerky, but it's got to be. Pull that handle forward, and I'm going to lift. This front just lifts right out of here. So you can see there's a loop here, and this bar, this little handle piece here, holds that so that bar doesn't snap off. It holds it in place. You pull that back, just lift the bar up out of those loops, and you got it off. That's all that there is to taking this deck off.